Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? I hope everyone is healthy. Don't forget to keep your distance, wash your hand, and wear a mask. I hope the pandemic will pass soon. Introducing me, my name is Wildana Setia Wargadinata. I am Head of General and Finance Division and at the Bawean Religious Corps. This time I will talk about optimizing salary information with the employee salary information system SIGAP via WhatsApp autorespond at the Bawean Religious Corps. I'm going to divide my talk into three parts. First, I will explain about the background, why the salary information need to be optimized. The second, I will explain about the problem of salary information in Bawean Religious Corps. And the third, I will talk about the solution of the salary information problem. My presentation will take about 10 minutes. If there are any questions, we will discuss after my presentation is finished. Let's get started. So, the begin with bureaucratic reforms. Reform is a process of systematic, integrated, comprehensive effort aimed at realizing good governance. Based on this, it can be understood that the reform is an effort to realize good governance, have an impact on the life of the state, and benefit the community. So that to realize a good governance, it is necessary to reform the bureaucracy because it involves the state administration to realize improvement in public public services. The definition of bureaucratic reform, according to the Minister of State Apparatus Empowerment, it is an effort to make fundamental reform and change to the system of government administration, especially regarding aspect of the application of excellent service. So it can be understood that bureaucratic reform is a government effort to change the government system for the better. Since the implementation of bureaucratic reform in 2010, Indonesia has experienced a very rapid increase in various fields, especially in public service. All government agencies are working very hard to meet the demands of society for service that are transparent, accountable, free corruption, collusion, and nepotism. Likewise, uh, the Supreme Court of Indonesia always participates in the bureaucratic reform program and the performance accountability of government agencies for the four judiciary under it: General Court, Religious Court, State Administrative Court, and Military Court. To support bureaucratic reform, we need service more fast, effective, and efficient. How do you get it? Optimizing information technology. So now we come to the next point, which is integrity zone. To improve the performance of public service, the development of integrity zone is actually aimed at building a bureaucratic reform program so that is able to develop a bureaucratic work culture that is anti-corruption, high performance, and capable of providing quality public service. The program that can have a direct impact on society will increase public trust. This can be realized by making innovation so that the work unit is closer to the community. Every government activity must be mentioned and must be monitored and evaluated. Monitoring and evaluation must be carried out continuously to ensure that the ongoing program remains on track and to carry out follow-up improvement. The success of the government is implementation program or activity must be communicated to the public by appropriate communication. With the media management, it is hoped that it can increase public understanding, change people mindsets, and manifest public trust in the government. To support of the zone of integrity, salary information, this innovation is very necessary to support it. Let's move to the third part. It's clean service area. To support the application of clean bureaucratic services, required the support of everyone, starting from the internal service for employee salary, in providing salary information service when is done with this innovation. Employees will work very well without thinking about their salary because everything can be accessed easily with the smartphone. That's all I want to say now on background. So let's move on the condition. Current condition. The process of distributing salary slip is carried out by sending printout directly to each employee. Then the printout is also filled into the folder or cabinet in financial file cabinets. Before receiving the printout slip, the employee cannot find out any information related of to the amount of salary and the status of the salary payment received, and is required to directly ask the finance department regarding the salary information. Conventional services like this are no longer relevant. Improvement to salary information service must be done with the innovation. So we come to the next point, which is cause of the condition. The current condition is caused by several things. First, no digitalization. Second, no application system. And third, lack of human services. So how should the expected condition? Let's discuss at the next point. Starting from the problem above, reformer need to find a solution problem above can be solved. The solution is accordance with the main duty and function of the reformer. As the head of the General and Finance Subdivision at the Bawean Religious Court, by developing the use of reformer information technology in the design of change action in the form of optimizing salary information, employee salary information system or SIGAP via WhatsApp auto respond at the Bawean Religious Court. That's all I want to say now on condition. Now, now let's move to the second part, which is the problem of salary information. The pie charts provide information on less than optimal services. Information on employee salary by 42.9% and management of stationery item of 22.9% and correspondence management 17.1%. This survey was conducted on 15 employees at the Bawean Religious Court. The second pie chart provides information it is necessary to make an application. 80% of employee want and salary information was application. That's all the point of the problem. So now we come to the part, to the third part is solution. The solution to the salary information problem is SIGAP, Employee Salary Information System via WhatsApp Auto Response. Let's know about SIGAP. By typing info, INFO, and send via WhatsApp to number 082143 60013. SIGAP will respond you immediately. So what can you get from SIGAP? Yes, one, salary slip, payroll, remuneration, just transportation, meal allowance, and salary contract labor. The following is an example response from SIGAP. We can choose the product we want through our smartphone. It is that easily using SIGAP. SIGAP has been used since it launched on March 5, 2022, 21. The interest of all employee for SIGAP is very high. Okay, that's all point of my presentation. I would I would like to end with a summary of main point. Bureaucratic reform is needed to support the performance of government agency. Through the reformation of the bureaucracy, an integrity zone will be created. Excellent service is a must to be applied in every service. SIGAP is here to support excellent service. So with SIGAP, we are moving toward to the integrity zone. That's bring me to the end of my presentation. I will I will say the quote: creativity is thinking up the new thing, innovation is doing new thing. Now, if you have any question, I will be happy to answer them. Thank you.